Alright everybody, I want to show you what I got here today. You're going to love this. Alright, let's pull the cover off. Alright. It's kind of tough to see, but what we got here is a 351 from Mabbco Motors in Tyler, Texas. We'll go over the specifics of it, but I just want to show you, this is, if you order one of these and get it freighted over to you, this is how it's going to arrive. I live pretty close to where the manufacturing facility is, so I just went and picked it up. So as you can see, it comes on a pallet, some cardboard, and 2 tie straps, and it's wrapped in packaging there. Here's some other things that it comes with too. One being the oil pump. Made by Engine Tech, good brand. Got the oil filter adapter, zinc with the should be the priming rod, and then miscellaneous gaskets. So there's a quick part number if you need it. All right, so let's start by tearing the bands off and then opening up this packaging, and let's take a look and see what we got. Alright, so you'll see here, right off the bat, you can tell this is a Marine engine. We got the brass freeze plugs in here. We just got those cut off. We'll work on taking off this shrink wrap here. Alright, so we got shrink wrap off. Just looking in here, you can see that they definitely painted this thing for us. That was nice of them. Yeah, looking good so far. Alright, let's position this thing where we can get it on an engine stand. Okay, we'll go over all the specs that I ordered it with. You can see the timing chain in there. And it comes in a bag, physically tied up. Pretty neat. I'm going to slide this thing back. I won't bother you all with this process, but we're going to get it put onto an engine stand. And maybe we'll show some more details here as we're moving forward. Alright, so I went to Harbor Freight and picked up one of these 1,000-pound engine stands. 1,000-pound capacity as mentioned. And yeah, item number 69520. We're going to go ahead and unpack this and put this together. I definitely am not going to show you how to put together an engine stand. I think my viewers can see how to do that by themselves. So we're going to unpack this and put it together and roll to the back of that truck and put that engine on it. Alright, so half-ton engine stand fully assembled. We're going to go ahead and set up a hoist and get that hoist lifted up and installed here. Stay tuned.